Hi everyone, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for almost 2 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the energies coming to your love life this 2024. But before we begin, I just want to give a huge shout out to Keen for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for a reading personalized to your unique situation, Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I always get a reading from Keen just to see what are the energies coming to me each month, and it helps me align with whatever goals that I have for the month. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer in Keen, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. Again, that's trykeen.com/QOP. The link is on the description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Virgo, let's see what are the energies coming to your love life ngayong 2024. Ayan, so this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan, let's see, Virgo, what's coming to your love life ngayong 2024 for Virgo. Love life. Okay, Aries. Very active ang love life nyo. May expansion. O baka marami kayong magiging ka-relationship ngayon, Virgo. Balance. As long as kaya nyong panindigan, no, alagaan ang relationship ninyo, why not? So, Jupiter here is about optimism, so good luck. So I think pagdating sa relationship, magiging maswerte ka. Someone na very supportive sa'yo, someone na mag-enjoy ka, masaya ka, ganyan. And I see someone na makakatagpo ng katapat niya katapat niya sa buhay. No? Yung tipong pwedeng magkaiba kayo ng ugali, pero kino-compliment niyo yung isang isa. Ganon. And also, some of you, Virgo, magiging assertive rin kayo. Yung tipong, if you want someone, kung gusto mong makilala tong isang tao na to, you will go out of your way, no? Gagawa ka ng paraan, ng action to make it happen. So, let's see your overall energy. Magician, o resourceful ka. Maaring meron kang mga bagong mga kaibigan na makikilala, connections. And pag gusto mo talaga, gagawa ka ng paraan. You have the moon. You're going to be very connected with your emotions, your instinct. I feel like meron ka talaga makikilala or makakatagpo ka ng person na pwedeng may in love ko talaga ng bongga sa person na to. Oo. Na maaring hindi mo pa ito na-experience before. So, ngayon ka talaga mafo-fall hard. Let's see. Pwedeng itong person na to ay isang Gemini or kapareho mo na Virgo or isang Cancer or a Pisces or Aries. So, let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Virgo? You have the Chariot and the Waning Moon. Wisdom. Okay, as a challenge, pwedeng meron ditong mga delays, no? Sa connection ninyo, pwedeng may mga pagkakataon na hindi kayo magkakasama or Meron kayong mga plans na hindi matutuloy. 'Di ba? Nakakainis. You also have the 9 of coins. Possible na magiging busy kayo pareho. Na pag available ka, siya naman hindi. Tapos pag available siya, ikaw naman yung hindi. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng issue sa timing dito, no? Oo, yung tipong mahirap pagtagpuin ang inyong oras at panahon. So, let's see your opportunity. Okay, the opportunity Empress. Uy. Nako. Baka may opportunity rito na may mabuntis. Oo, or to have a baby, makabuntis, no? So, just take what resonates. And then, as an opportunity, I feel like mas lalo mong i-improve yung sarili mo. Para mas, kaakit-akit sa person that you're dealing with. You also have the Hanged Man and the 5 of Cups. I feel like, merong mga instances sa relationship mo na marirealize mo kung ano yung mga naging pagkukulang mo in the past. So, maari kasing hindi ka ganun ka active sa efforts na binibigay mo sa person mo. Alam mo yung tipong, okay, masabihan lang nasa relationship ka, pero hindi ka talaga ganun ka seryoso to the point na you will make efforts to make the relationship work. Ganun. So, ngayon, may opportunity ka na baguhin yan. Lalo na kung ang karelasyon mo ngayon is someone na you are really excited to be with, no? Excited ka sa kanya, excited ka sa mga magiging future ninyo, excited ka sa mga pagsasamahan nyo pa. Kasi some of you, pwedeng nanggaling kayo sa isang failed relationship. And now, you realize na may mga bagay na nagkulang ka dun sa person na yun, and now, ngayon, inaayos mo na ayaw mo namang mangyari yan sa new connection mo ngayon, sa new relationship. Let's see your blessing. What is the blessing? You have the 4 of Cups and the Knight of Swords. So, as a blessing, maganda na magiging open kayo sa isa't isa dun sa mga gusto nyo, sa ayaw nyo sa isang relationship. Mas makakapag-set kayo ng proper expectations sa isa't isa na, ito yung gusto ko sa relationship, ito yung ayaw ko. Magiging open ka dun. Same with your person. Makakatulong yon para mas lalong maging matatag yung inyong relationship. Kasi minsan, diba, yung iba, at the back of their mind, marami na silang expectations dun sa person nila. Pero hindi nila sinasabi kasi nahihiya sila na baka isipin demanding sila or bakit ganon ang gusto nilang mangyari agad. Pero that's very crucial sa relationship kasi kung may mga expectations ka tapos hindi niya na-deliver, pwedeng pagmulan nyo ng conflict or away or dissatisfaction sa relationship na medyo unfair kasi hindi naman niya alam na yun yung expectations mo sa kanya. Di sana sinabi mo agad, no? Para at least, kung hindi niya ma-deliver yon, at least, nasabi mo sa kanya. Diba? Na yun yung ina-expect mo sa kanya. Same with the person sa'yo. Open communication is very important. And then, may mga kayo, gala. Oo. I think the more na magsispend kayo ng oras sa isa't isa, the more na mas lalong lalago ang inyong relationship. Mas lalong mag-grow yung relationship. So, I think you will be spending more time with your person, vacation, going out on a date. Kaya ngayon challenge sa inyo is yung oras at panahon nyo sa isa't isa. So, you have to make it work kung gusto nyo talaga na maging successful. So, get to know each other, learn, and meet another's need for love. See, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, expectations. Get to know the person. Ano yung gusto mo sa isang relationship, ano yung ayaw mo. 'Di ba? Have faith. Trust your faith in this situation. So, pagdating sa relationship, importante yung tiwala mo, pananalig mo sa relasyon ninyo. Kasi kung mawawala na yan, then madali lang na mabuwag, matibag ang inyong connection. 'Di ba? So, for some of you, Virgo, things are going to change for the better sa relationship ninyo. I see a new connection here. Someone na meron kayong chemistry together, someone na
magkakaintindihan kayo. Parang nga, yun nga, makakahanap ka ng katapat mo rito. So, nasa sa'yo na yan kung paano mo i-handle para ma-keep mo itong relationship mo for long term. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.